And we're back to learning Inkscape, and this time I'm going to show you how to create an 8-bit pixel text effect. Let's go to View, and we need the page grid, so check the box. Right now it has a big divider every 5 squares. So let's go to Document Properties and Grids and change that down here. We want to have 8 for 8-bit. So let us go to 8, and you can see we've got these major dividers every 8 squares. Let me create a rectangle and I'll make that black. Then I press Ctrl D, drag the copy to the right side, and I repeat the process. And now I press Ctrl D and go downwards until I've got 8 times 8. So this is the basic square that we need. Copy that once more, Ctrl D. And for every letter that we want to create, we need such a box. So I'm going to create the word pixel. So I need 5 of these squares. And now shift click on the ones that you want to make white. So for the P, I'll just go about it like this. And now I give it a white fill. I want to delete the squares, so the black ones that are not directly attached or directly next to the white ones. Now let us create the I letter, which is quite simple. And once again I delete the black ones right here on the left and the right. You can also use these guides to find the right position, so the right distance between the letters. I'm going to take 2 squares as an empty space. Now let us create the X letter. Now we need the E letter. And finally we need the L letter. Alright, we can now go to View and uncheck the page grid. You can see that there is some kind of a glitch in Inkscape, so these squares have still these dividing lines, even though they don't have a stroke. I've played around with it a little bit, and the best way to get around that glitch is to just group the letters that you've got. So if you select it all and then press Ctrl G, in many cases it solves the problem. If it doesn't, just zoom in, zoom out, resize it a little bit, and then press again Ctrl G. What we now want to create is a drop shadow, and you can see it still has the problem with these dividers. So let me press Ctrl Z. Now they're gone. Once again I press Ctrl D and I drag a copy to the bottom right. It snaps. I've got the snapping enabled in the top right corner. And I put that to the background. And if we zoom in now, it's gone. So it's just a software glitch. As I said, try to use Ctrl G to group it, zoom a little bit, and it should be solved. And this is how you can create such an 8-bit text effect in Inkscape. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.